Regional Scholar is a free opportunity search platform that connects students, young professionals, and parents to scholarships, grants, job vacancies, and more. Our goal is to help you discover the best opportunities that match your profile. Search our database of scholarships, grants, and job vacancies for free. Filter by categories, search by keywords, or group opportunities by name, amount, or deadline to find exactly what you need. When an opportunity catches your eye, click to read more. Easily organize your interest using our 4 tracking tools: by, favorite, marked, viewed, and won, so you can stay on top of every step in your journey. Create your profile now on regionalscholar.com. Customize your user information for the best scholarship and grant matches, and update your educational background. To be matched with the best relevant job vacancies, make sure your career information is complete and up to date. Remember, the stronger your profile, the better your matches. Visit your account preferences to tailor the platform to your needs. Choose your preferred currency and select the notifications and alerts you would like to receive. Head to the matches page to explore all categories of opportunities available. Choose from grants, jobs, or scholarships. Here, you will find a centralized space to manage all your opportunities. View every match you qualify for, or switch to saved, applied, viewed, or won opportunities. You can also group results by deadline, amount, or name, and quickly switch between categories whenever needed. Regional Scholar offers a range of free resources at your disposal. Visit our resources page to access professionally designed templates and practical how-to guides. From CVs, resumes, and application letters to thesis guides, books, and other educational materials, everything you need is available for free. Check out our news page to stay updated on education, research, student life, and more. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube at Regional Scholar, and on Instagram at regional.scholar. If you are still around, use the promo or coupon code RECSCHOOLSAVE30 for a 30% discount if you wish to sign up for the paid plans. Or use the same promo code RECSCHOOLSAVE30 to get 30% discount on all paid resources.